In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Beehiiv email subscriber form step by step, so you can start collecting subscribers on your newsletter fast and with confidence. This is a really useful setup if you want to grow your audience, improve signups, and make your Beehiiv newsletter look more professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Audience. This is where Beehiiv keeps the tools for managing your subscribers and sign-up options. After that, click Subscribe Forms. This section is where you can create and customize forms that let visitors join your email list. Now click Create New Form. Beehiiv will open a new form setup screen, and this is where you'll start building your subscriber form from scratch. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a name for your form. This name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different pages or campaigns. Next, edit the form title. This is one of the most important parts because it's the main headline people will see when they land on the form. You want it to be short, clear, and attention-grabbing. Think about the value you're offering and make sure the title tells visitors exactly why they should subscribe. After that, edit the form subtitle. The subtitle gives you a little more space to explain what subscribers will get. You can use it to reinforce the benefits, build trust, or add a short message that encourages signups. Keep it simple and easy to read so the form stays clean and focused. Then add the fields you want to collect. Depending on your goal, you may want to collect just an email address, or you may want additional information like a first name. The key here is to keep the form as simple as possible, because the more fields you add, the more friction you create. In most cases, fewer fields means more signups. Once your fields are set, customize the button text. This is the call to action button that people click to subscribe, so don't leave it vague if you can make it stronger. Instead of a generic button, use clear action words that match your offer, like joining a newsletter, getting updates, or signing up for content. A better button message can make a real difference in conversion rates. Now click the Style tab. This is where you can control how the form looks and make sure it matches your brand. Beehiiv gives you options to adjust the appearance so your form feels consistent with your website or newsletter style. A well-designed form can look more trustworthy and help people feel more comfortable subscribing. Inside the Style tab, choose a form layout that fits your needs. You might want a compact form, a wider version, or a layout that works best in a pop-up, embedded section, or standalone sign-up area. Pick the one that best supports your audience and the place where you plan to use it. The right layout can make your form easier to notice and easier to complete. Before you finish, go back through everything and make sure the title, subtitle, fields, button text, and layout all work together. A good subscriber form should feel simple, clear, and inviting. You want visitors to understand exactly what they're signing up for without having to think too hard. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. That will lock in your form settings and make your Beehiiv email subscriber form ready to use. From there, you can place it on your site, use it in a landing page, or share it wherever you want to grow your list. And that's it. You've now created a Beehiiv email subscriber form. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Beehiiv and newsletter growth tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.